Hello, Bob from Shocker Hitch. Today we're going to install our quick air fifth wheel hitch onto this camper. We'll be removing the original pin box. This particular pin box has a rubber cushion built into it, and rubber cushions typically are too stiff to do much. So anyway, with the new air hitch, we can adjust the air pressure, get a much smoother ride, and it'll be right every time. So stay tuned, we'll do the install. Step one on this install, we're going to measure the original height of the hitch that we're removing. In this case, it's 52 inches. So we're going to try and match that. There's a couple adjustments. Your camper will have a series of holes, and we may end up raising it to the upper set to make room for our mechanism. And then also the fifth wheel head in your truck is adjustable height-wise. So we can always match up the height and get the right attitude for your trailer. So now we're going to do the install of the Shocker hitch mechanism. This hitch will simply bolt up into your pin box. 2 nuts on top, 2 bolts in the back. Very simple install, it takes a matter of minutes. So you can remove it for service if you need to. I don't think you'll need to, but if you do. So it's a quick, easy install. Our guys are ready to do it. We've done our install, bolted in the pin box, lifted up the air hitch, installed it into the pin box. Now it's time to do the final check. When we first installed this, we had 52 inches, and you know what? We've got 52 inches again. So that worked out well. We had to lift the pin box up slightly in order to get that height, or maybe you might have to adjust your fifth wheel in the bed of your truck. Either way, both of them are very easy to do. One of the things that I'd like to talk about is the air pressure. So we've got an air valve at the bottom of the airbag, typical pressures, 15 to 25 pounds, somewhat dependent on the weight of your trailers. Heavier trailers may take more air than light trailers. So play with that a little bit. When you hit the sweet spot, you'll know. That trailer will tow smoother than you've ever towed before, let's just say that. Join us at shockerhitch.com. Thank you.